Yeah. Where was she when you found her?
She was in my friend's hands. She gave it to me.
Yeah. I got it. Well, no, just till we talk to you, because you're the one that found her, that's all.
I didn't find her.
Oh, where's your friend at?
She's gone. I didn't find her. I don't know shit. I have no idea.
Your friend?
Yeah, but she had the gas. But she had passed it.
Okay. Well, listen, you're not in trouble or nothing. It's just that, it's just that we talk. It's just that we talk to you. What's your name, dear? Okay. All right. Perfect.
I live here, but I might be moving back, so.
Do you have another address here?
No, not really. I'm like staying at people's houses, so.
Okay. All right, thank you, dear.
And the game got the rest of the stuff, so.
Okay. All right, we appreciate it, all right?
So I'm like, oh.
All right.
Officers went door to door in the area asking residents if they knew the child.
West Palm Beach Police. Sorry to bother you at an hour like this, sir. We got a little one that was left over there, 1401 Tamron. Have you ever seen her before? Miss, I think her name is.
That's my grandbaby.
That's your grandbaby?
Where's she at?
She was left over there. 1212 was bomb.
Left where?
Then she probably got up and came through that door.
1012 with the grandparents at
just saw her doing
1012
the
14th
tablet.
Street. Cover 22. Can you bring her over here?
Lord, she done came out the door.
That's why I told you put that alarm thing like the other one.
Oh,
when that
Lord.
door opened.
Cover 22.
Yeah, so someone... So, I guess someone noticed a little beautiful baby walking over here, and they brought her over. Brought her over to 1401, and then they called us.
Okay.
Are you her guardian?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
She must have got up.
Yeah, because I seen that your
the door
deadbolts
was unlocked.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
You guys have your ID on you by chance?
I got 238 solo.
Copy. Yeah, she must have wandered out because around 2:30 she was walking around by herself.
Yep, listen. I was up earlier.
Uh-huh.
I came to use the bathroom. She was sitting right on the couch with a tablet. When she was doing the tablet, I'm thinking she's straight.
Gotcha.
So,
You have mom's phone number?
Her phone is off.
Do you know where mom's at?
The mom supposed to been in there asleep.
So she might still be in there asleep?
I'll do. Let me check and see. Make sure she
Mom's not home?
must have left.
You know where she normally goes? She work?
And she normally knock on the door and tell us. I don't know what happened to her.
Moments later, the child's mother was seen approaching the home on foot.
Hi, Mom. You mind speaking to us for a second?
She came outside.
We'll talk about that.
Yeah.
All right, do you have your ID by chance?
No, I have a picture.
Okay, that'll work. All right, let's get so the light isn't flashing you in the face, okay? All right. So, who do you live here with?
My mom.
Mom and dad?
Yeah.
Or is that dad?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So we have a pretty serious situation. I'm not gonna lie, but we need to figure out kind of what happened here tonight. So before we do, I have to read you Miranda. Okay. This isn't the movies. Just because I'm reading you Miranda doesn't mean you're under arrest. Okay. In order for me to speak to you, I have to read this to you. Okay. So I'm going to ask you, basically, I'm going to read these off, and after each one, I just need you to tell me if you understand it or not. Okay. Okay. So I am required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. You understand? All right. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You understand?
Yes.
All right. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. You understand that? All right. And I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. You understand everything I've read to you? All right. So, all right. So just to kind of get an idea of what's going on here. So you live here with mom. Dad, is it stepdad or bio dad?
Stepdad.
Stepdad. Okay. Your daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your daughter's name? House.
My sibling.
Your siblings? How many?
2.
Are they adults or?
They're adults.
Okay.
Sister and brother.
All right. So obviously we saw you coming from this room. What time did you leave the house?
I left. It was like 2 something.
2 something? Okay.
Yeah.
And what did, again, like, just out of curiosity, what did you go do? Like, what did you need to go get handled?
Nothing. I was just chilling back there.
Chilling back there?
Yeah.
With some friends, I guess? Okay. Okay.
She was laying down asleep on the couch at first.
Okay.
Like before I left. And I made sure she was asleep.
Okay, so you were there on the couch with her, or you were in the bedroom?
We was on the couch.
You were on the couch with Desiree?
Yeah.
Okay, and she fell asleep?
Yes.
Okay. Was anybody else inside awake?
No.
Okay.
No one else awake.
Where does she typically sleep? With you?
Yeah, she sleep with me in the room that's in the back.
In the room in the back, there's a bed for the both of you? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we share a bed.
Same bed?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you see that she's asleep on the couch, and nobody else is awake. And you
Everybody was asleep. I was the only one up, basically.
Okay. All right, so you sometime around 2.
It was like 2:30, so I know it was like 2:30.
2:30.
It wasn't long.
Okay. And how long were you planning on leaving for?
No, I was coming back just now.
Well, just now. I mean, right now it's almost 4:30.
Yeah, I was coming back.
Okay. But so when you walked out, she was asleep on the couch. Now, I see there's a lock on the top. Is there a lock on the bottom too?
Yeah.
Did you lock both of those?
No, I didn't lock the door because I don't have my key.
Okay, where's your key?
My brother was using my key.
Okay. So you left and the door was open?
Yeah, the door was open.
Okay. Has she ever walked out of the house before?
That never happened.
Okay. All right. So before she fell asleep, were you on the couch with her?
Yes, we was on the couch.
So then, I'm assuming when you left, at some point, and I'm going to kind of explain how this kind of went about. At some point, she walks out, right? So somebody walks up over by 13th in Tamarind.
So she walked way over there.
13th and Tamarind. So literally the next corner over. But we've had her since 3:20, 3:30. Luckily, this officer was able to knock on the door, and we found out that this is where she lived.
So
because had we not found this, you probably would have walked in here and not seen your daughter, and we'd be getting this call at right now, and she would have been out 2 hours, because we have city cameras that see her walking around at 2:30.
So she was over there.
She was somewhere over there, but
Like
she
the
was with
officers?
me. I literally took custody from some random lady, right? It says, I found this little girl out here by herself. She handed this child over at sometime right around 3:20. But the video cameras show that she's been walking around since 2:30. So almost an hour and a half that she's been out here with zero supervision or protection. So that's an issue, right? Luckily for you, she didn't get run over. She didn't get kidnapped. She didn't get assaulted. She didn't try crossing PBL. She didn't try crossing those tracks. A lot of bad things could have happened. There's some homeless guy sitting right in front of Sam's. You know what I mean? A lot of bad things. So typically, when you leave the house, who watches her?
My sister.
Your sister does.
Yeah, I text my sister and call her too to check on her.
So this is my question: is that if you were going to leave here at 2:30 in the morning, and yeah, she was asleep, and I get it. Sometimes the kids fall asleep, and you don't want to wake them up because then it's hard for them to go to sleep again, right? I get that. But to not lock the doors, to not let anybody know, hey, I'm stepping out. Can you just keep an eye on her, or take her into your bed and lay her in the bed? So what? I'm just kind of curious as to what your thought process was when you left the house.
I left. Okay, so we was in the living room. Okay, I was on the phone with my friend, and came outside. She was on the couch. But I knocked on my sister's door. She answered, but then I text her. And
Okay.
then, so I stepped out the house. At first, I was staying right here. Then they said they needed to go to the store. Okay, boom. Went to
Who
the
said
store.
that? Your friend?
Yes.
Okay.
And I said, okay, we got to hurry up because I left the door unlocked. And I already had a feeling. So I'm like, all right, let's go.
Okay.
And then we came back. I did not know she was going to get up.
Yeah, so pretty much the way you said you left the house around 2:30?
Like some,
Basic-
I know
yeah.
it's like 2 something.
Well, yeah, but what I'm saying to you is that, think about it. As soon as you left, pretty much, she was out.
Dang.
That long. And she's 2. So, I understand you're saying you texted your sister, but did she respond?
No, she didn't
Okay.
respond.
So that's where we have an issue. All right, that's all I have. Let me talk to mom. This is mom, right? Okay. All right. How are you, Mom? I'm doing well. I'm glad we found home
Yeah.
for that beautiful little girl. She's adorable.
Yeah.
She's a sweetheart. Okay, so like I was telling your daughter, she basically was telling us that she was here with her. She fell asleep on the couch. She left at around 2:30. Didn't lock the doors.
Yeah.
Didn't come back till right now. We have video that shows her walking by herself out here since 2:30.
Wow.
So we're looking at almost an hour and a half. And had we not found this house, your daughter would have come home to find
Her
no
not
Desiree.
here.
So that's a problem. Okay.
Because normally, when she doesn't see her mom, she'll knock on my door. So she didn't even knock on my room door.
She probably heard her walk out or something.
Yeah, that and
But yeah, to not lock the door, that's a problem. Yeah, you should probably end up getting some alarms.
yeah.
But like I told your daughter, more than likely, I mean, almost definitely, DCF is coming out. Okay. We had to notify them because we didn't know where she lived.
Yeah.
And she told me her first name was Kinsey.
That's her last name.
Yeah. so DCF has to come out. They're going to come and inspect the house and talk to you guys and all that stuff.
Okay.
So, I mean, as of right now, are you guys good taking care of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, more than likely, your daughter's going to be going to jail tonight.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
So
Leave her with you guys.
Okay.
But unfortunately, it's going to be a child neglect case just because of the situation.
yeah.
A 2-year-old walking around for an hour and a half out here. Like I told your daughter, she didn't cross PBL, luckily.
Thank
She
God
didn't cross
for
the
that.
tracks, luckily. You had a random woman over here walk up to me after she called 911 and said, I found her walking by herself. There's a homeless guy sitting in front of Sam's. A lot of bad things could happen to her.
Yeah.
So, okay. All right, dear. So, unfortunately, because of the situation, tonight you will be going to the Palm Beach County Jail. Okay? It is temporary.
Can I
Okay?
fix this real quick?
You're going to end up having to take that off anyway.
Yes.
So.
I mean, is there anything
Before the
valuable?
picture?
Oh, yeah. No, everything has got to come off only because we have to have all of your property in a bag.
I'm saying like before the picture, after.
No, it's all gonna come
It's
off.
all
now.
gotta come off right
Here's
now.
what I would say: if you have anything valuable on you right now, and that you would like to leave with your parents, but we gotta. It's all gonna go eventually. So.
Okay, just give me a second.
So if you're able to, go ahead and take those piercings out so that we can
I
get them.
just got this. I don't know how to take this out.
Well, they're not gonna let you keep it at the jail. So.
Well, either way,
It's gotta go.
the hair and the other stuff is going to come off. So,
Okay, I'll wait until I get there.
That's not
you
happening.
don't understand, honey.
I
We have to have
understand.
it off. So either you take it off or we're going to take it off.
Take what off?
The piercings.
Piercings
I don't know how to take this off. I
and
just
then the
got this.
hairband, the headband, and all this other stuff.
I don't never see them take this off before
Okay.
they go to
Put her in
jail.
handcuffs.
Thank you. Alright. We're gonna be going to this vehicle right here. To your left. You can take a seat in the back.